OpenAI recently launched one new additional feature within their ChatGPT suite to generate detailed prompts. This prompt generator is available for free till now. So before they start charging on that, I think we should start using it and take some benefit out of it. So in this video, I will show you how can you generate your detailed prompt using OpenAI tool itself. So currently I'm in Google homepage, and if I go to platform.openai.com, then we'll be able to see this type of interface. Now here currently I'm already logged in, that's why it took me to this particular page. So you can also use your Google credentials to log in, and if you're already using the paid plan, free plan of ChatGPT, you can use the same ID. Now this is not part of your paid plan or free plan, whatever you are using as a consumer. This is meant for those developers who are working on their applications and they are using OpenAI and ChatGPT capabilities as part of their application backbone. While this one is developed for developers, as an end AI consumer, we can still use some of the features. So let me show you what I'm talking about. If you click on Playground, then you'll be able to see this interface. Now here, among everything else, there is one option that is system instructions. And there is one icon here using which you will be able to access that prompt generator. Currently you can see it's mentioned free beta version, but I presume that it will be chargeable very soon. Here one good part of OpenAI Playground is you don't need to pay any monthly fees. What you can do, you can go to your profile page, you can go to your profiles, and there under billing, you will be able to add some balance. Earlier I added some $7, I think long time back, and once you are adding this money, then using that API key, you will be able to use this ChatGPT features in your application. Now there are other ways also to use it. So whenever you are going to use anything within Playground, it will get charged in your account based on the everyday basis usage. So let me very quickly show you that how this charging happened and how much it is. I was trying certain prompts here in this Playground yesterday. So if I go to usage, you'll be able to see yesterday I used for one prompt and it costed me $0.01, which is not that costly, right? So if you want to utilize any paid feature of the Playground, then you can add some additional fund. But the point we are talking about today here, that doesn't require any money at all. So if you come to Playground again and then I click on this particular icon, then I'll be able to use it. Now let me show you the power of this prompt generator. Let me paste one very simple prompt. Help me to write a blog, where I'm not giving any other context. What will be the blog all about? What's the topic, subject, everything. Nothing I'm explaining here, right? But if I click on create, you'll be able to see it will generate the system instruction. Now I'll also show you that how you can use these system instructions down the line so that it can help you to generate right content. But this is the way. Create a detailed plan and draft for writing a blog post. It is talking about the steps, what will be the topic reselection, research, outline creation, everything, all those things. What will be the output format? It is also giving certain examples here. Example 1, example 2, and then some additional notes. So based on some 5-word prompt, whatever I asked, it generated this kind of a system instruction. What you can do, you can copy this entire text and you can open your free version of ChatGPT or the paid one if you are using, and there you will be able to paste it. Now let me show you a detailed way, because this prompt I gave earlier, which was a bit vague, right? Which was not on any specific topic. Now if I just use this particular prompt, I'll go to this icon again and I'll paste it one bit detailed. What I'm writing here, I run a technical blog where I test different electronic gadgets, phones, etc. and share useful contents with my website visitors. Please help me with 10 trending topic ideas which I can work on. And if I now click on create, it will now give me something which will have some relevance. You can see it generated, generate 10 trending topics idea on the technical blog focusing on electronic gadgets and phones, and it detailed everything. So what I need to do, I need to copy everything. I'll open ChatGPT now, and here I can just paste this particular system prompt and I'll hit enter. Before that, I will open another tab. I'll open ChatGPT there again, and there I would like to give the earlier prompt. which I wrote, and let's see how that generates and what will be the difference between this ChatGPT generated prompt and the prompt which I wrote. So here I am writing my own prompt, and let's see what it comes up with. That I mentioned that I run a technical blog and everything. Now there are 10 trending ideas it is giving me. So these are the 10 things it gave. Now I'm going to use the prompt which has been now generated by ChatGPT prompt generator. And if I hit enter here, now let's see what are the outcome it generates. You can see it is already generating some additional content. Not only the topic, it is also giving some of the additional details, and everywhere those additional details have been added. So you can see already there is a difference between the quality of those outputs, because all LLM models works in this way only, right? If you can provide more specific and detailed information, then it will also generate right quality content. So using this particular option, you will be able to generate your own ChatGPT prompt to get the best output. Now let me show you another option, and that's the specific purpose why OpenAI built this particular tool, that is for custom GPTs. And this is only available for the paid plan. But if you don't have a paid plan, just see that how it works, and then you can evaluate if you have any such need or not. So here if I go to explore GPTs and then I click on create, and then I'll be able to see this particular option where I am trying to create one new custom GPT. Now there are two tabs here. One is create and second is configure. I'll go to configure. I will give this name as blog idea generator, and then I'll skip the description part, and in the instruction I will give this system prompt which earlier it generated, because this is the reason this particular tool has been developed, so that you will be able to design your own custom GPTs using this particular tool. Let me know in the comments below if you want a detailed video on custom GPTs, so that I can cover that particular area too. So if you have any such interest. Now here in the instruction, I will paste my custom instruction. So this is the instruction it will follow all the time. Now there are multiple different options are there. I'll not go to the nitty-gritty of that particular area, and then I'll click on create. And then it will ask who will be using this particular custom GPT. I'll click only for me as of now. If you are building something, you can change this particular setting later also. And I'll click on save. After it will be saved, it will land me to this particular GPT. So this is the link. If you want to share with someone, but you need to give the required access, then others also will be able to use it. But I'll click on view GPT for now. Now it's showing also my name that I created this particular custom GPT. Now if I type here, give me 20 blog ideas on iPhone 16, and then if I hit enter, then it will follow this entire structure and it will give, right? You can see that similar way, one heading and then some additional details. So if you want to automate your workflow and you want to create some custom GPTs so that you can use it regularly, then you will be able to use this system instruction generator or the prompt generator. Or if you also have normal requirement, but if you want to refresh your prompt in a right way without taking support from another prompt engineer, then you will be able to use this free tool. So as of date, it is free. So try it out and let us know in the comments below about your feedback. What do you think about this particular tool? Will it be helpful, not helpful, how it is? So we'll be all able to learn some of those comments also. ChatGPT also recently released another excellent feature, that is advanced voice mode. If you want to know more about it, check out this video where I covered this particular feature.